In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Hostpolicy.dll missing in your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now here, simply type sfc space / scan now. Scan now is just one and there is no space in between, and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once the process is 100% completed, simply type exit in the command prompt window. Then right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, check the system type first. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link corresponding to your system type. Click the folder icon. Double click on it. Check this box, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and simply install that into your Windows 11 by clicking on the install button. So once installed, then just simply restart your Windows. The next method is we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates on your Windows. Okay, so simply update your Windows to the latest version since it comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So once updated, then good. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.